Welcome to the second lecture. Let's discuss why would anyone want to run OpenShift in a disconnected mode. There are many real-world use cases for disconnected installation. Enterprises with strict security and compliance requirements, such as banks and government organizations, often do not allow direct internet access on their systems. In such cases, a disconnected setup becomes essential. Clusters running in a remote locations where there is no internet access to download container images must be installed in disconnected mode. In environments operating behind strict firewalls, where every container image needs to be manually reviewed and approved, a disconnected setup is most reliable approach. Similarly, in edge or defense environments where cloud access is not an option, disconnected installation is the only viable solution. But with that security comes complexity. Now let's take a look at the challenges of disconnected environment. You need to mirror container images manually by OC Mirror. You have to host your own registry either on the top of the OpenShift or outside of the OpenShift. You can use Quay, JFrog, Sonatype Nexus, and many more. Create and trust custom certificates for OpenShift registry and make sure the cluster works without even reaching out to Red Hat or the internet. That's all for lecture. Stay tuned for the next one. If content is helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel.